that dick. Hey, my name is Amea and welcome back to my channel. Today I am here doing a favorites video. Surprise, surprise. I try not to do monthly anymore because the monthly just goes so quickly, but at the same time, there's some things that I want to talk to you guys about because I don't do as many beauty videos anymore. I seem to do more specific product reviews. So like, you know, reviewing this foundation, or I'm doing lots of outfit fashion things, or, you know, a video on, you know, like my last one that I filmed that wasn't fashion was like, you know, how I fixed my dry skin. So that was talking about all my skincare kind of thing. So I don't really do like tutorials or makeup videos as much anymore just because they just don't do as well, to be honest. I get way more engagement from you guys, way more likes, way more comments on my fashion videos and on proper reviews, so I feel like that's what you guys want to see, but feel free to correct me if I'm wrong, let me know, drop a comment down below. So there are some products that I really want to talk to you guys about since I'm not doing as much beauty, but they are still like just so amazing. I'm pretty sure that I haven't mentioned these in previous favorites videos, but if I have, sorry about it. I still clearly love it because these are like the products that I reach for constantly. Some of them I'm going to do honorable mentions, maybe I haven't used them as many times yet, but yeah, I just want to go through and tell you about some fun products because it's been a while. If you like these kinds of videos and want to see them more often, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my channel of course, feel free to turn on the little bell for notifications. And yeah, let's jump in. So first up for primer, I'm still loving First Aid Beauty Coconut Smoothie Primer. I always use that. And then I go over with the Porefessional Pearl Primer. So I liked the normal Porefessional, but just some foundations it didn't work with. This one, it seems to work with everything. It smooths it out and it doesn't make it look too dry. It just looks beautiful. So I really like Porefessional Pearl. I could not live without this, and I just don't need any other pore filling primer. Like, I don't even go to my primer drawer anymore. I literally just use my First Aid Beauty and this one just on big pores. I want to talk about a few foundations. It's been a while since I've really, you know, spoken about these things. So that's why there's so many, because yeah, I'm not doing it monthly anymore. These I am really enjoying. So I bought the Lancome Tint Idol Ultra Wear Foundation. I have the shade 024. I love this. This is like a matte foundation. It's very thin though. So my skin's dry, so a lot of matte foundations just like look terrible on me. This looks really nice because it's so thin. So as long as I've used something hydrating and I go on with Fix Plus, I've nearly gone through another one of them. Love me some MAC Fix Plus. I just find that it looks really nice, really flawless. I generally prefer dewy foundation, but matte does look a bit more flawless, so it just depends on the occasion. This is the NARS, what is it, All Day Luminous? Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I did a proper review on this not too long ago after I've used it a few times. I still absolutely adore this foundation. I really like this. It's just like lightweight, dewy, beautiful, but not too dewy. I feel like a lot of different skin types could really get away with that foundation. Then we've got these ones. So Loreal Pro Glow has finally come out in Australia. I've been using it for a little while. I will do a review on it if you guys want to see it. So again, let me know below. The good thing about these favorites is you can let me know what you want to hear more about. So please, I feel like a lot of people don't leave comments. They think it in their head. This is what I always do especially. And then I'm like, I swear I commented that, but I didn't. Guys, please comment because I really want to bring content that you guys like seeing. So love me some Pro Glow. It's just like a beautiful thin foundation that has a beautiful medium coverage and just glowy and healthy and hydrating. And then these two I haven't used as many times. We have the Clinique Even Better Makeup. I asked Clinique, the people at Clinique, if they could send me the Even Better Glow foundation. But they said the Even Better Glow foundation in some weird red kind of shades. So I just haven't really been able to use it because it just doesn't work for me when I'm pale or tan, just because it's so pink toned. But the Even Better Makeup, I love this. This looks so flawless on my skin. It's Even Better Makeup. I have the Cream Whip shade. This is beautiful. I'm definitely going to be reviewing that one in depth because I really like it. But I've only used it a couple times, so it's really nice though. And then this is the Cover FX Power Play foundation. Unfortunately, apparently this isn't coming out in Australia. I ordered it from overseas, what am I saying, overseas. I have the shade G30, I wore it yesterday, I'll put a photo here. It looked beautiful. I posted on my Insta stories. I've only worn it once. That's why it's just like an honorable mention at the end of foundations as I move on. It's so nice, guys. Like, it looks so lovely. So I have been loving some new highlighters. Anastasia and Reezy highlight. I've been wearing like crazy. I've been wearing it in my try on hauls as well. So my last probably 2 ones, and then some that I filmed today that will be coming up shortly. Oh my goodness, I love like the highlight. You can see it from the other side of the room, so it looks beautiful. This would work for so many skin tones and shades and stuff, because it's just gold, it's translucent. So like when you add it front on, you can't see any color. It's only like when it hits the light that you see like the beautiful beaming highlight. So I think because of that translucency, so many different skin tones would wear it. This I also have been loving. This is the Hustler Baby Kilowatt highlighter from Fenty Beauty. It's a little mini. It came with a mini Fenty gloss and a mini highlight. Let's swatch on the other side of my hand. So this one is more gold, but it's got a bit of pink through it. So I have to be like decently tan to wear that, but I've been putting it on my body. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. Anyway, this highlight is so pretty. It's so gorgeous and gold, and it makes a beautiful eyeshadow as well. Next up, I think you probably heard me rave about this a few times by now. This is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Tint Cream. I think it is finally available in Australia. I got the email from Sephora saying it was available, but it wasn't online, so I'm guessing it was just in store, but it should be available online soon, I would assume. This is beautiful. It is not, there's like no coverage. It is my no makeup where I just have a bit of a tint to my skin, but it's really hydrating. It doesn't, like, it soothes my eczema. It just is really nice. Like, I highly recommend this to anyone who doesn't wear like full coverage every day. So if you wear full coverage every day, you're not gonna like this. But if you have like no makeup days where you still go out and you still just wish you were like a bit fresher, this, like, you're gonna put moisturizer on anyway. It may as well be a tinted moisturizer that's just gonna hydrate and glow. Like, I think if you have eyelash extensions or something and you like, you know, you can just put this on, brush through some brows. Yeah, you're good to go. I am still loving my Tribe skincare. I'm loving it. I spoke about it so much in my dry skin, how I fixed my dry skin video, so I'll link it in a card here if I remember, or I'll still link it. I'll link it somewhere down below, I'm not sure. It will be somewhere. But I just wanted to kind of talk about these products. So this is the mini because the full size is in my bathroom. It's the Scrub Me Exfoliant. This is like such a good scrub slash face mask. It just works really well. It's really light. A lot of scrubs will flare up my skin. I'll get eczema, I'll start breaking out. This just doesn't do it, and you like wash your face and it just feels hydrated and healthy but scrubbed clean. Like, it's so nice. One of my friends likes it, but she just doesn't like that she has to mix it up. So keep that in mind. You do have to like pour a little bit out and mix it with water, pop it on. Me, I could not care less about that. She doesn't like it that much. And their Hydrate Me Moisturizer is so lightweight, but hydrating. As soon as I found out this is safe for the eye area, I like skip eye cream half the time now. I'm just like, okay, and to the bed I go because I need to watch some Netflix and some YouTube and chill out. I've been loving these two mascaras for completely different reasons. Pony White Night is, I really like this because it's got growth and conditioning ingredients in it, and I do notice when I did my last lash lift, my lashes were actually longer than when I'd done it previously, and I've been using this a lot more. Benefit Bad Girl Bang gives amazing volume, amazing length. It doesn't really give much curl, but if I curl my lashes first, it does hold the curl pretty decently. For lips, I've been loving this one like crazy. This is from Laneige. Again, I talked about this one in my dry skin video. I just mentioned it briefly. The Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. It smells like delicious strawberries. It just makes my lips feel, oh my god, it smells so good. It just makes my lips feel really nice, and it just is really hydrating. I don't use it as a lip sleeping mask. I use it anytime I want to put a lip balm on my lips. Next, I want to talk about lashes. So I've got some ones from Nakia Joy. So I actually bought 2 pairs of the silk lashes myself, and then yesterday I received a box of the 4 silk lashes that were on the website when I bought the 2 that I bought, and the new ones coming out, and some new classic styles. So thank you so much, Nakia. But yeah, I chose these ones because I really like these styles online, and I bought them and I've been wearing them lots. I haven't tried the new ones yet. So the ones that I'm wearing today are the Hunter Lash. They are so pretty. Like, I think they look just really nice. I'm not gonna say natural because like we know they're not natural, but they're just like lighter, and the band is really flexible compared to like all of the silk or mink lashes and stuff that I've had in the past. These ones are the best quality and probably the cheapest, I'm gonna say. I haven't really got any new lip products that I've been using lots. Like, I mean, I don't think I've spoken about this one. So, I mean, Fenty Beauty Gloss I'm still using constantly. I'm still using my Pony Lip Magic all the time. That's what I've got on now. I've been using my Gigi Hadid Maybelline lipstick in Tora all of the time as well. So some nice basic nudes. This is the only one that's new that I don't think I've really spoken about. It's the Ultra 3 Lip Glaze Tinted Oil in Alluring. That's really nice too, and Ultra 3, so the cheapest out of the bunch. And then lastly, I want to talk about this. I finally, you can see it's there in the background. Finally got the Sigma 3D HD Blender. I've wanted this for so long. I swear a year maybe. I swear, when it came out, I saw Hannah Schroeder using it. She was using it in lots of videos. So Casey Rating used it in like a lot of things, and I was like, I really want that sponge. And it was sold out on the Sigma website, and I was like, damn, because I'm a Sigma affiliate, so if you want anything from Sigma, you can use my code Amea. But my point was, I get like a discount if I want to buy anything from Sigma. So I was like, oh, let me look, and yeah, it was sold out. So I was like so desperate for the sponge. I was looking on every other online stockist of Sigma to see if I could find it anywhere, and I could not find it anywhere. And I emailed them to be like, hey, when's it coming back? And she's like, oh, hopefully not too long. Anyway, a year later, I see Hannah Schroeder get the Sigma blenders, and I was like, oh my goodness, yes, this means they're coming back. And then I was like really lucky to receive the box like the next day with the pink one and a black one, and I really like these. And these are only $15 plus you can use my affiliate discount, you can use Hannah's, you can use bloody anyone's that you want. You can get a discount on them as well. But I mean, it's always good to use your favorite YouTubers and support them. But the sponge is just like a really nice quality. It's got the same like smooth side as like a classic kind of beauty blender. It's got your nice little points so you can get right up under the eyes. It's got these like sharp edges, see, like sharp edges, so you can like really cut out a bake. I generally just use the smooth side, but I will use this straight line sometimes if I've already done eyeshadow to like blend out and really like crispen it up. It's just really nice. Like, I really like it. But yeah, I haven't baked a huge amount, but when I do, it does make it a lot easier having like the straight lines just to make it really cut, because I don't do like a really cut contour, but I will like bake it a bit just to make it a little bit more prominent. Okay, so there's one more product that I thought I would quickly mention. It is the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions palette. I thought out of all of the Huda Beauty, because I ended up buying all of them. It's so beautiful and romantic looking. Like, it's just really, like, they're really nice shadows. The quality is really good. This is like, this palette didn't come here to play. Like, it's so little and compact. Like, it is the best travel. Like, I have small hands as well, guys. And it is like the size of my hand minus my fingers. Like, it is so good. It is the perfect travel palette. When I go to Sydney, I take this, and it's just like, got everything I need in there. I can warm it up a little bit with like my bronzer that I take with me and just kind of blend them all together. The colors are gorgeous. Like, it's the only palette I need. Like, I mean, this is another pretty compact palette, like the Sigma one, and you can see it's still quite a lot bigger. And there's only like a couple extra shades in there. These are actually beautiful as well. I had a second one of them and I gave it to my friend, and she was talking about it. She was raving about it with me today. So she loves this one. This one is actually really nice too. But I just have to give it to the Huda one because I've been traveling more interstate this year and the size just like wins out, and the color combos are just like, I don't need any other eyeshadow palette. Anyway guys, I haven't been playing around a huge amount with makeup like I have in the past because, as I said, it's just the content isn't doing as well, and you guys really are loving the fashion things that I've been doing as well. So I mean, I love doing the beauty. If you guys want to see it, you have to support it, because at the end of the day, like, if you guys are quiet about it, I don't know. So I can only do, you know, based on what you actually are verbalizing and, you know, showing me that you want to see. So fashion is winning out at the moment. If you guys want to see more of anything, always let me know. I always try to reply to my comments. The only time I don't is when it's like a really weird comment or like a spam comment or like some guy telling me how good I look and I'm like, oh, thank you. Anyway guys, let me know what you have been loving lately, what I need to try out. Drop a comment, let's have a chat down there. Follow me on Instagram if you're not, because I'm always on Insta stories, chatting to you guys, doing polls and stuff. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.